Hi. My name is Vinay and you're watching EduSmart. I hope all of you are preparing well for your placements. Keeping this in mind, I have brought you another interesting opportunity. Udchalo of Campus Drive for 2021 year of pass outs. The best thing is the salary is 6.67 lakhs per annum. So I will help you throughout this video like the recruitment process, selection criteria, how to apply, etc. So stay tuned till the end. Before we begin, I have a small recommendation for all of you. So I make these videos on free courses, certifications, off-campus recruitments, internships, certifications, etc. If you think this stuff can help you, I recommend you to watch my other videos. And if you like them, do subscribe and smash that bell icon to never miss an update. So let's get started with today's video. So today we are talking about Udchalo Off Campus Drive 2021. So if you're not at all interested in watching this video, I highly recommend you to click the link in the description box below. You will be redirected to this page and you can read out everything here. So you can see about the company that you can read here, and the job location is across the country, and the basic location is Pune. It means you will be working at Pune. However, student from every state is eligible for this. It means in India, whichever the state is, you are eligible for this uh, job. Okay, now talking about desired experience, this is for freshers. As I have been mentioning, it is for 2021 year of pass outs. So course specialization is computer science, IT and electronics and telecommunication related streams can apply. So the criteria is you must have 60% throughout your education and about 6.5 GPA in your graduation. So training period is for 9 months. That is really a great time. It's not 9 months for everyone. It will be depending on your abilities. Okay. So during training period, you will be given a 6.35 lakhs per annum. Post training, you will be given 6.67 lakhs per annum. So if you wanted to have a detailed structure of this salary, I will recommend you to click here. You will be redirected to this page. So where you can see the salary, this is for training period and this is for full-time period. So for training period from July to March 2022, I will say whatever you are going to get is 40,000, what is your in-hand salary. And for full-time, you might get up 52,000 as your in-hand salary. I'm not talking about the rest of the allowances and gratuity, etc. Talking about in hand, you are most likely to get 51,000 and 40,000 in training and like full-time opportunities. So that is about this. So once we complete this, now we shall see how to apply for this. Before that, if you wanted to apply for this, one thing for sure is this is not a MNC. Moreover, it is a startup. However, it is a well established startup. So okay, so this is a well established startup located in Pune. So I recommend you to apply, but make sure that you read all the terms and conditions. Now the bond period is none, and the assessment date is 1st November 2020, and you will be starting your joining from 1st July 2021. So it's lots of time between 2020 to 21, right? Okay. Now, job description. There are too many roles available. Based on your skill set, they will be assigning the required role. Okay. They will be assigning you to the required role. And you can check out the behavioral competencies as adaptable to change, etc. The last date to apply is 20th October. You can click here to apply. So talking about the selection process and interview experience. So this company has a company presentation, which means a pre-placement talk. And later you will be given a technical as well as you will be given an aptitude along with technical and coding test. They have given all of them at once, right? Maybe this might be different as well. They may conduct aptitude as separate and technical round separate and coding separate. Otherwise, aptitude plus technical could be one round and the coding test would be other round. Or the three may happen simultaneously in one round. So that is about this. Post this round, you will need to give a technical interview, later HR interview. Now talking about the types of questions and coding questions. For aptitude and technical, you can expect questions on logical reasoning, aptitude as well as quant and Technical, you can expect questions on operating system, DBMS, SQL, etc., and operating system SQL networking. Little that is about technical. The coding question is would be as usual. You are required to learn some basic data structures like stacks, queues, linked list, priority queues. They may not ask that deep like graphs or dynamic programming. However, I think better you go with these kind of applications on stacks, queues, priority queues, hashing, hash map, sets on ordered sets like in C++, or in Python you can go for collections or something like. So what I know about C++ is what I'm telling you. So that basic data structure is how to manipulate a two-dimensional array, strings, etc. Such basic questions will be asked here in coding question. So once to tell about this on-campus recruitment experience for this company, there was a question on priority queue as well as in the coding test. One question was on priority queue and the second question was on debugging round. Like there will be errors, you need to debug that. And the other question was somehow difficult question would be there. Like in coding test, there are three questions. Whoever solved at least two would be called for the next round, which is on technical interview. That is about coding test and aptitude and technical. And if you see education is BE or BTech students are eligible. As I have mentioned, the salary is 6.3 to 6.6 lakhs per annum. So now how to apply? As I mentioned, you have to click here. Then you will be redirected to this page. Here, if you do not have an account on AMCAT, you can click and register for this. You can once you sign up for an account, click. You will be redirected back to this page. Here you can see this apply button. Click apply, and you can see this job requires you to have an AMCAT subscription. Schedule AMCAT. So in order to apply for this, they are asking you to get fill for this AMCAT exam. So you have to click this schedule AMCAT, and so once you schedule AMCAT, then they will ask you to AMCAT exam. So you need to clear, you need to apply for this exam, and then you will be applied for this. So if you are not interested in getting AMCAT exam because it is a paid exam, there is some other alternative for you, which is this. You can see if you are interested in getting a job through at Udchalo, the company, you can drop them an email, see careers@udchalo.com, or you can talk to them on LinkedIn. You can either get in touch with the HR there, or you can write a mail to the careers@udchalo.com. And it is not sure that they will be replying for you this. If it is better to you go through this instead of not applying something, like if you are not interested in AMCAT exam, then you do this better option. So if you are not interested in this, you will not apply at all, right? So for that, as an alternative, I'm telling you, careers@udchalo.com. You can write them a mail stating your details as well as why you are interested in job and provide your resume, and that's how they will be checking out you. And if they like, they may provide your test link or they will go on with the process. This is not for sure. Not everybody responds to your emails and career page, but instead of doing nothing, I recommend you to do something. So for that reason itself, I'm asking you guys to do this as well. Click on their LinkedIn account. You will be ended up with their recruiters or their employees, and you can ask for a referral, or you can ask them for meet them to the what we call their HR, whoever is the recruiter. You can also ask them. See, there are about 82 employees on LinkedIn for this company. You can get with them, or you can also directly search for Udchalo recruiter HR. Then that's how you will be ended up doing something rather than doing nothing. See here, she is the HR professional. She is also the HR. Like if you're getting connected with these people, there are some chances of getting placed. That is what I mention. I mean to tell you guys that they may provide you some option of getting with this company only if you are not at all interested in AMCAT exam. So that's how about this. And if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. Also, let me know how do you feel about my alternative of this application. Thank you so much.